This is a story about how to be kind to yourself when you paint. The other day, I was outside gardening and I heard a little girl and her mother coming down the street. They couldn't see me as I was bent down behind a bush weeding. The little girl was counting. 87, 88, 89, and then she was stuck, so her mom continued. 90, 91, and the girl figured out where to go from there, and she made it to 97, 98, 99, and then she didn't know where to go again. So mom picked up 100, 101, and the girl got the pattern and continued from there. And then I heard her say to her mother, beaming with pride, "Mom, I counted to 100. Do you remember the first time you counted to 100? I remember how proud I was, the pure joy of it, the wonderful sense of accomplishment. And I didn't think all the grown-ups can count a lot further than me, so this is a worthless accomplishment. No, I was reaching a milestone. And as a child, I instinctively knew that I was engaged in a process. I would learn to count to 100, then to 1,000, and on and on. I was on a journey. That's the mindset you need to have when you learn watercolors. You need to celebrate your milestones as you reach them, not compare yourself to others and look down on your accomplishments. So, let's celebrate together. What painting milestone have you reached? Let me know in the comments.